Hi, my name is Dusan. I'm the head roaster at Goat Story, and today I want to introduce you one of our classic coffees from our lineup. This is the Brazil Toucan. It's a sort of classic Brazil Cerrado coffee that is actually my favorite. When I prepare every morning, I drink a flat white coffee, and this is the coffee that I use it for. It's really nice for making espressos, especially milk-based drinks like flat whites, cappuccinos, or what have you. And it's also a kick-ass coffee when you're preparing Turkish coffee in Ibrik, or you call it Arabic, or however. Okay, so here are a few basic tips for making this coffee. When you're preparing it as espresso, you should aim for 18 to 20 grams of coffee, and you get about 35 to 40 grams of espresso. That's for a double shot of coffee. And if possible, if your espresso machine has temperature regulation, you can set the temperature at about 91 degrees Celsius, because this is a medium roasted coffee. It can take a bit lower temperature when brewing. And for when you're making it as in Ibrik, aim for a ratio of 1 to 10. So that means, let's say, 20 grams of coffee, 200 grams of water. And the basic recipe is just mix the water and coffee in your Ibrik and put it on the stove and just let it rise, put it off, and there you go. So this is it, one of my favorite morning coffees. I welcome you to try it, and if you already have it, enjoy it.